Hey guys, in this video we are gonna see tasty restaurant style egg puff made at home, and the only thing that we buy here is the pastries, puff pastry, and then look at this beautiful golden puffs that has come out. So the ingredients we require are eggs, coriander, onions, garlic, ginger, and fresh green chilies. And this is the puff pastry that we'll be using today. Most of the supermarkets has it, so you can easily get them. So cut onions into thin slices and then chop coriander into fine chops, and then ginger garlic into fine chops, and then the chilies as well, and spread the puff pastries so that you can check it for any kind of mold formation or tearing, and then put the eggs in the water and then start boiling them for 20 minutes. I took 4 eggs today so that it can be cut into 8 halves, and then we can make 8 puffs. So take a empty kadai and turn on the stove, apply fresh oil, put some mustard seeds and a little bit of cumin. Let that nicely roast, and then once the mustard starts popping, we start adding the dried curry leaf. If you add fresh curry leaves, you can add them, followed by chilies, garlic, and ginger, and nicely saute them. Once they are about to change color, add the onions. Add a bit of salt to the mixture so that they tenderize and cook faster, and then nicely saute them. The onion has to cook really well here. And while the egg is boiling, we are making the gravy or the stuffing. And we add a little bit of garam masala now. Once the onions are turned into glassy color, turmeric and chili powder, Kashmiri chili will be nice, and you can see how it looks like. And then you add the at the end you can add the coriander and stuff. The gravy is ready, and take the puff pastry and cut it into 8 equal halves, and then add our masala to it equally. You can see how nicely golden the masala is. If you guys want a better taste, you can add a little bit of ketchup to it while you are mixing it in the pan. And then finally cut the egg into halves and then place them each in each of its 8 slices, and then start folding them. And you guys can look at how I have folded. You start by folding one corner and then the diagonal corner from the other side, and then when you attach two corners, make sure you apply water to the corners so that they stick to each other, and then fold the other two diagonals as well. Here you can guys can see I'm applying water to the corners, and then I'll be folding them. It's such a relaxing job when you do it, when all the gravy, everything is done, eggs and everything, and then you're folding it, and you know that the egg puffs are gonna come in like 10-20 minutes. It'll be awesome feeling though. And make sure you guys do all these things on top or a butter paper or something so that it doesn't stick in the floor, countertop, or anywhere else to the plate or something. I always do it in butter paper and put them inside the oven. And then now prepare an egg wash. Beat one egg nicely, and then transfer them with the butter paper to a baking tray, and then start greasing them with egg wash. The reason we do this is it gives a nice golden glaze to the egg puffs, and it gives a beautiful aroma when you bake it. And also at this time preheat the oven for 20 minutes at least to half an hour at 180 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius. And then while the oven is preheating, we apply the egg wash and then wait for it. Once the oven is ready, nicely preheated, we can start pouring this. So placing the baking tray with the egg puff into the oven. This is how it looks like after applying the egg wash. It's okay if it spills over on the sides, it's totally fine. And then place it in the oven and voila, we are gonna go. And in like every 10 minutes I keep an alarm and then I come back and check how much is done. I would say anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes it should be done. And yep, they are ready in 12 minutes in my case. Then take them out and then you guys can see how nice it looks, the golden color on the top. It has beautifully risen. Wow, it looks exactly like a restaurant egg puff. And then also, by the way, when we tasted it, it tasted so good, like so good actually. So restaurant style egg puff ready. Please try at home. And if you guys like it, let us know. Like if you guys tried it at home, let us know. Hey guys, so I made egg puffs from uh, Kerala in India. It's like a very famous snack dish. So I gave it to her for the first time. She has seen it before but never had egg puff before. So how was it?
It was really surprising. Like I did not expect this to taste this way exactly. I thought that it would be nice, but like mostly I would taste the egg, quite a lot of egg and the pastry. But actually, I was surprised that it was mixing that well, and that the egg actually was not even like so
The
much like
gravy
yeah, the
was
gravy
very
like was
complimentary.
exactly. I was really surprised. It was yeah, really nice.
So out of 10 on a strict scale, how much would you rate this?
As I already told him, I think it will be 9 out of 10.
Okay.
The only slightly better thing will be, I mean, both of us agreed if there's a little bit more gravy.
Yeah, because
Uh,
I made the filling, the gravy a little bit less, or you can say filling, not gravy,
yeah,
because not
filling
gravy.
actually.
So the filling was a little bit lesser because once you cook onions, they become smaller. So that's why. So yeah,
True.
that's a good feedback. Next time we'll improve on it. Nice. See ya.
And see you. Thanks for watching.